High precision, short cycle times and excellent surface quality are the main demands to be met in modern gun barrel manufacture. The GFM cold forging technology is equal to these requirements. GFM is recognized worldwide for the high standard of its forging technology, both in hot and cold applications. High precision and a wide range of custom machines contribute to complete customer satisfaction. The basis for the high quality of the forging products is mature technology, especially the well-proven mechanical drive system, the heart of the machine. The main part is the sturdy forging box. 4 synchronized forging hammers shape the workpiece. The oscillating movement is created by eccentric shafts. The forging hammers are adjustable to the required diameter. A brief description of the general forging process. After automatic feeding and clamping of the barrel blank, the mandrel is inserted into the blank to its predetermined position between the hammers, which are then set to their programmed forging diameter. The next step is to feed the workpiece past the oscillating hammers while the mandrel remains stationary. Towards the end of the cycle, the mandrel is pushed forward together with the barrel blank in order to forge the chamber portion. The hammers are opened slightly to form an ideal rifling and shoulder transition. At the end of the chamber, the hammers are opened. The main material elongation is taken up by a compensating plunger inside the manipulator to maintain an ideal chamber. The workpiece is clamped between the counter holder and manipulator during the whole forging cycle. Depending on the machine type, the unloading after forging takes place either on manipulator or counter holder side. Automatic spraying and tool cleaning equipment are also available. The blank bore is roughly 0.2 millimeters larger than the maximum diameter of the forging mandrel. The cross-section area reduction is 25 to 40%, just enough to form an ideal profile. The same technology is used for shotguns. In this case, however, the mandrel has an additional taper which represents the choke. Choke, bore and chamber are formed in one cycle. The machine is CNC operated. The control is operator friendly, and the tool and forging parameters are menu driven and displayed graphically. GFM cold forging for gun barrels. Excellent bore quality combined with minimum cycle times and high tool life. The fully automated process guarantees consistent high quality and absolute precision. Complete forging of the inside profile contour in one step. The right technology. Cold forging from GFM.